pleasant greenery and a cool sandal fragrance. Chandan Village, a wonderful venture surrounded by mind-jiggling nature beauty. A new revolutionary concept in the history of real estate to provide high-tech amenities with new values. Empika Agritech India Private Limited, proudly presenting to customers Chandan Village in Shadnagar, near to Hyderabad and very near to airport. Chandan Village, developed in a place near National Highway number 7 and Shadnagar, which is developing very fast with IT cells and industrial estates. A step ahead with a motto to provide dual benefits to its customers and for monetary development also. 3,000 acres of DLF, 1,500 acres of My Home World City is close to Chandan Village. April's Park, proposed Zoo Park, Fab City, Hardware and Software Park, Golf Club, Aviation Capital of India, Rajiv Gandhi Nanotechnology University, Silicon City, NRSC, Star Hotels, MMTS, 7 engineering and 2 medical colleges, Natco Pharma, biggest amusement park in Asia, shopping and entertainment complex. Separate place allotted for plantation of Srighanda sandalwood trees and will be maintained by experts of Indian Wood Science and Technology for a period of 12 years free of cost with free insurance facility, which is an additional benefit to customers. After these plants are fully grown, sandalwood and parts of tree will be used in health products, soaps, and for many more products. Srighanda, a variety of sandalwood, is developing very fast, attaining 17.5% to 35% development in world market. Soil test in the land chosen for plantation of Srighanda has been tested by experienced and eminent scientists and recognized the venture Chandan Village is perfectly suitable for plantation of Srighanda trees. Empika Agritech India Limited is always one step ahead in providing high quality services to its customers with utmost planning and sincerity. Most of real estate companies are providing only land and developed areas at a higher rate, whereas Empika Group is offering valuable Srighanda plantation also along with land and wonderful amenities. The value of your land will be accumulated along with the value of Srighanda plantation. Empika Group will give the transparent information about estimated value of Srighanda from time to time, according to growth, which will give you more resale value. Empika Agritech India Private Limited, the only real estate institution which is working with a divine motto of fulfilling each customer's desire. Entire land is a solar fence to provide high alert security, guest houses with all facilities, Village Mantra, a complete family entertainment resort with all the facilities like main entrance, admin office, coffee shop, beach volleyball, shuttle court, net cricket, adventure games, cottages, flower garden, fruit garden, overview of the cottages. Cycle stand, kitchen and canteen, meditation, shower dance, swimming pool, children park, hangover zone, open air amphitheater. Empika Group is providing crop insurance facility for online observation of security, growth of plantation, etc. We feel highly proud for presenting a wonderful venture like Chandan Village.